Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is comfortably trading above 2850. Right now, trading around 2856. And nobody imagined in the month of February, we would see gold trading around 2800 heading towards 2900 or maybe 3000. Right now, sky is the limit. So if you have any sell right now, then you are in a very dangerous position. So holding sell position can be suicidal because both technically and fundamentally right now market is bullish. At least till Friday, we can clearly see the market is bullish because on Friday we have NFP. NFP is an event that can change the direction of the market. But before NFP, chances of trend reversal are almost negligible. Surges to fresh high. Gold hits record high as US-China trade war stokes heaven demand. Gold hits record high as China-US tariff war drives safe haven demand. So this is the main reason why gold is flying because the US President Donald Trump has imposed 10% tariff on China, 25% on Canada and Mexico, and China is about to retaliate next week. So it's a very much tense atmosphere, and this is the main reason why gold is flying. Is the Forex sentiment meter of my FX book. We can see that 66% retail traders are on the sell side and 34% are on the buy side. And as we all know, retail traders or 90% retail traders lose money. So we should always go against the Forex sentiment meter. So if the retail traders are selling right now, there's a high chance that market will be going up. Okay, and if any selling pressure comes also in the market, okay, just keep in mind that without any proper news, we cannot have a trend reversal. So it will be just a technical correction, and technical corrections are temporary. For example, when there was red candles in this particular portion of the market, people thought that there is a trend reversal, gold is going down, so people started selling gold. But remember, we discussed that until unless gold breaks 2750, we should not go for sell. And ultimately, what happened? Gold continued the overall trend, and gold is right now trading above 2850. So, trend reversal and corrections both are different things. Do not mix it up. So, if you have any sell right now, please be careful. Try to exit whenever you get a chance. And if you have any buy position right now, if you have any buy from 2600 2700, wallah, continue, enjoy, okay. Because sky is the limit, okay. And obviously you need to trail your stop loss, but yes, enjoy the buy position. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market right now, you should be looking for buy at retracements only. Why? Because my dear friends, if you look at the daily chart of gold, so this is a daily chart, and we can clearly see right now market is trading at a swing high right now. Okay, so if we take a buy right now, okay, for example, if we go for a swing buy here, position and trade here, then we will be paying higher price. Okay, for example, potatoes. Okay, I love potatoes. Okay, in my place the price of potatoes is around rupees 30 or around, let's say, $0.5. Okay, 0.5. Okay, so right now if I want to buy potatoes at 30 or 40 rupees, okay, then I need to buy gold somewhere around here. Not gold, I need to buy potatoes somewhere around here. And if I'm buying here, then I'm paying $100 for the same potatoes that have where the actual price should be 30 or 40 rupees. So if you are a position trader, swing trader, and looking for a fresh position in the market, then obviously this is not the right time for you. The best position will be around 2720, 2720, 2750. This is the best level where you can look for a buy position as a swing trader, position trader, because you will be holding your trades. And right now it seems that this is not the ideal market for day traders, because this is a market where you buy at retracement and you sit on it. Because as a day trader, if you exit at 40-50 pips, you'll be losing a huge chunk of the profit. So this is a clean trending market. Try to ride the trend of the market, trail your stop losses. Okay, and again I'm repeating, as a position trader, swing trader, if you're looking for a fresh position, buy around 272050. That is the best level. or wait till NFP. After NFP, if market comes for retracement, well and good. Okay, if market doesn't come for retracement, we will have to think of something else. Okay, so this is the daily chart again, not the daily chart, is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. So if you are looking for fresh position in the market, and if gold doesn't come down, chances are almost negligible that gold will be coming for retracement. So we need to focus on the immediate levels. Okay, so at this moment, let's not talk about 272050 because that is far away. Okay, so at this moment we have 2820 in front of us. Why 2820? Because of previous resistance will be working as support. So far price action is giving us fantastic results. So around 2820 we have previous resistance working as support, plus the 50 moving average will also be present here. So we can look for a buy position here for the day, and we can also look for buy around 2830. Why 2830? Because same story. Okay, same logic. The previous resistance will be working as support. So these are the two levels where we can look for a buy if market comes for retracement. Okay. And one more thing, you can see one more line I have drawn here, which is around 2844. Okay, why 2844, 2840? Because see, sometimes market is so bullish that market doesn't come for a proper retracement. If you see that during the day market is adamant, market is arrogant, not in the mood of coming down, you can also look for buy on 284440. But keep in mind 2844, 2840 is a day traders level only, because this is not a proper retracement level. Without retracement, market cannot continue the upside always. So try to look for buy around 2830, 2830, 2820 area. Those are the best levels for the day. As a positional trader, swing trader, if you want to go for some big profits, then you need to wait for the market to come for proper retracement. And right now, we don't have any proper retracement in gold. And those who have already taken buy, enjoy the profit. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement at all, because we have seen many times, okay, multiple times, that gold is not in a mood of coming down. So if that happens, we can look for buy at breakout. But to buy at breakout, consolidation is important, and right now we don't see any consolidation. So I'm recording the video in the Asian session. Okay, so at the time of recording, I don't see any consolidation. But during the European session, if you see market is stagnant, market is consolidating, then just draw a line at the top. For example, market starts consolidating at the current level, then draw a line like this. And after 2 to 3 hours of consolidation, when market will be going up, you can look for buy at breakout. Okay. But without consolidation, do not go for breakouts, because there is a high chance that it will be a false breakout. In any breakout, consolidation plays a very important role. The consolidation gives power to the market. And if one more thing, okay, economic calendar. Today we have news coming up during the US session. Not a major event that can change the direction of the market, but market will be volatile. So if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure during the US session, market is going for correction suddenly, okay, then try to follow the trend of the market for the time being. Okay, because there will be a lot of spikes in the market. For example, PMI coming up, then ADP and FP. Okay, so those are not major events, but they will bring volatility. As a day trader, our stop losses are not huge, so there is a chance of SL hitting as well. So be careful.